Independence 1. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6470, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever holds back from asking others will be granted independence. There is no harm in asking for help from others when one is in need, but a Muslim should not get into this habit, as it can lead to a loss of self-respect. This can be dangerous, as the one who loses self-respect is more likely to commit sins as they stop caring what Allah, the Exalted, and others think about them. The one who unnecessarily asks others will also begin to rely on others to aid them, instead of trusting in Allah, the Exalted, to aid them. Trusting in Allah, the Exalted, involves using the means one has been granted in lawful ways and then believing the outcome, which Allah, the Exalted, alone chooses, will be best for everyone involved. Therefore, a Muslim should strive to utilize all the means they have been granted, before turning to others for help. The one who behaves in this manner will be granted independence of people by Allah, the Exalted.